before we was interrupted, we got interrupted with an emergency alert, Libra. To take shelter. It's time to continue to move forward. That was a message from Spirit. This is an emergency. There's no more time to wait. You have to find your happiness. And in all honesty, you deserve that. You deserve that. But retaliation shouldn't be in your mind. Revenge is not yours. Let people's destinies play out the way it should be. The divine never sleeps. They never miss anything. They know exactly what's going on. But you have to be willing to trust in that as well. What else for Libra? We're going to get some angel messages for you, Libra. What else for Libra, Spirit? You can have abundance if you continue to move forward, Libra. What else for Libra, Spirit? No time to wait. You've been waiting long enough. It's time to move forward. One more for Libra, Spirit. And make sure you're listening to your intuition. Because it's no time to stop. Don't stop. Keep moving. And we're going to get some encouraging messages for you before we close out, Libra. What do you have for Libra, Spirit? All right. We got 3. As you focus on clearing your generational trauma, don't forget to claim your generational strength. Your ancestors gave you more than just wounds, Libra. If it doesn't challenge you, it won't change you. This is challenging you to change. And eventually you will stop calling them coincidence and realize how powerful you are. Keep going. Use your power to manifest something great. Stay out of your low vibration. Continue to vibrate high. With that being said, you guys have a good day. Until next time, Libra.